Hi, I'm Justin with Fluke. Let me show you how to set up profiles and folders on your Series Acoustic Imager. Setting up custom profiles and folders before doing the inspection will save you time, make you more efficient, and give you confidence the job is done right. Create folders to designate where your new captures are stored. Folders organize your captures both in camera memory and for download later. You can create folders named by location, customer, date, or whatever you want so that they're organized properly. The folders are shown here. In order to add a new folder, choose the drop-down and create the name of the new folder. In this case, we're going to use the folder Fluke. So anything that's saved at this point or captured with the Acoustic Imager will be saved in the Fluke folder. Being confident of the setup and operating conditions of the II series is critical, so you're sure that you have the information you need. Profiles are a reliable and fast way to get the imager into the settings you want, whether that's frequency range, capture mode, operating conditions, or even what's being displayed on screen. Once set up, profiles are a way to toggle to the preset mode and setup that you need. In order to create a new profile, keep in mind that when you create it, it's the settings that are on the camera at that point. I currently have an image mode, LeakQ mode, and a MechQ mode, but let's practice adding a PDQ mode. First, go to the mode that you want to be in, and like I said, get it to the settings that you want to be in that profile. Within acoustics, I'm going to turn on the high frequency mode, which changes the frequency bar. I want that for the partial discharge detection. And then I'm in PDQ mode. So at this point, if I save a new profile, it'll be a PDQ profile. That's what I'll do. I'll add one and name it as PDQ. At this point, the new profile is saved, and we can test this by going to another mode. Let's say we want to go back to image mode. It's in image mode for that particular profile. But the powerful thing is that we can quickly toggle to those other modes without having to set every aspect of the settings. I want to go back to PDQ, and we can verify it is in PDQ mode and in high frequency range.